Your next phone might clip to your lapel or sit in your glasses. Your next phone might clip to your lapel or sit in your glasses. The Pin, a screenless square with laser projection on your palm. Green text beams into your hand as on-device LLM shrinks latency. Press to Talk controls the large action model that learns app workflows. Next time, just say, repeat my usual. It's automation minus app fatigue. Cameras plus open-ear speakers identify landmarks and offer hands-free photo capture. Yet watchdogs fret about mass surveillance. About 4 hours active as heat management led Humane to underclock chips. Interact through voice, glance, and subtle haptics. Liberating for disabled users. Let's compare Humane's Cosmos OS, Rabbit OS, and Meta's multimodal assistant. Ordering coffee, live translating chit-chat, auto-captioning vlog footage, repurpose old smart glasses, plus open-source Whisper model on a Raspberry Pi Zero for under $150. Stick around for a DIY tip, repurpose old smart glasses, plus open-source Whisper model on a Raspberry Pi Zero for under $150. The early days of mobile felt clunky too. Look where we landed.